What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it has been a very long time since I've uploaded. Just dealing with all the stuff going on, work and everything like that's kind of crazy, but a lot has changed with the pit bike, and I will go over that with you guys here in a minute. But I did go riding today, and I'm gonna put them clips in right now, so check them out.
It's okay.
All right, try to go straight.
Up here, Catherine. Look.
Go, hit the gas.
Catherine, you gotta go like this. You wanna go around the tree?
Yeah. Around the tree. Give it some gas.
Gotta go like this. Yep. Pay attention.
Give it some gas.
Go this way. Yep. Now don't go too fast because you're going on a hill. So give it a little bit of gas, but not a lot. Little bit of gas, Catherine, but not a lot. Just a little bit. Like that. Not a lot, just a little bit. You can give it a little bit more. Catherine, give it gas.
Turn it. Turn it. No, the gas.
Pull it a little bit. Come on.
There you go.
There you go. Yep, go up that way.
Turn towards my truck. Give it a little gas. Keep going, a little more. Turn towards my truck. A little more. Go towards sister. Hit the gas.
Good job.
All right, as you can see, went out to a buddy's house that's local to me, probably 4 or 5 miles away. He does ride for our pit bike team, which I'll get into all that stuff later. But he just got a little backyard track that he used to run quite a few years ago, but it's been overgrown. He, got into some other stuff and didn't ride it as much, and we are gonna slowly get it back up and going. But it's cool to have a place to ride. It's got the big field, so that's fun. And as you can see, I got to get my daughter on a PW50 for the first time ever, which was really cool. She seemed to enjoy it, so we will be having to buy her a bike of her own. That was David's kid's bike. He's had that since his son, who you've seen in some of the riding clips. He got that bike when he was just a little boy, and he's had it around forever. So we'll be picking something up like that along the lines. But let's get the machine unloaded out of the truck, and we'll kind of go over some of the stuff that I've done to it. All right, so here we are. You guys probably remember this bike. This was the SSR that I did the updated KLX plastics on. We got our Fast Dads Racing kit from MX Graphics. We were sponsored by all these companies. Fast Dads Racing is mine and my buddy's pit bike team that we started. We plan to get into selling parts and selling pit bikes and all that stuff down the road, but for now we run a team with quite a few riders. This is the black and blue kit, obviously, but it's all the blues metallic. The bike's dirty, so don't mind that. We just got done riding, but I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but the kit is metallic blue, so it's got that shiny to it. The things that have changed since the last video: I got different bars on here. The other bars were just too low for me. Guts Racing, they're one of our sponsors, hooked it up with that matching seat. We got our SM Pro wheels on. Finally, we are running Piranha hubs and spokes. A lot stronger than the other stuff that I had. Like I said, sorry the bike's dirty, but just got done riding and I wanted to go over it. We got that Elka working flawlessly. I don't think I had the Yoshi in the last video, but the Yoshi sounds great, as you could hear from the riding clips. But yeah, I mean, the bike's doing all right. Oh, I guess the biggest thing is the new engine. We are running a Daytona 150 4-valve. A lot of people run the 190. I just thought the 190 was too much power for what I'm trying to do right now. Even though this bike only makes about 2 horsepower less than a stock 190, but it's just a little bit more manageable, easier to ride. The 190s are more set up for racing. They don't like to putt around too much. They're not really good for just cruising. And I do a lot of things, you know, like I'll trail ride with this thing, racing, just whatever. I don't have a preference. I like to do it all, so I figure I would set it up to be able to handle everything. I do have an oil leak out of that valve cover. I cannot get it to stop no matter what I do. The only thing I haven't tried yet is an RTV of some sort, but for as much as that comes off and to check your valves, I just don't think that's going to work out. But it's got a brand new O-ring. I've cleaned both surfaces. I don't know. I got to figure something out. Maybe I'll buy a new valve cover and put it on and see if I can get it to stop leaking. At least that'll let me know if it's the valve cover or the head. I don't really know what my options are there. Alright guys, so I just wanted to get this video out to you. A few riding clips in there for you, a little bit of talking. Some people don't like that. It is what it is. But new content coming. We are going to go hit up some tracks and try to get a lot more riding in. I'll see what I can do during the week. Maybe if I mess with the carburetor, I can show some people some stuff about that. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a good weekend. Happy Father's Day to all you dads out there, and enjoy your weekend. Get out there and ride. I don't care if it's in a field. I don't care where it is. Just go ride. Go out, ride, and ride. Have fun. Get buddies together. Take your kids. It does not matter. Just get out there and ride your bikes and enjoy life. And make sure to hit that like button for more content to come. The cool graphics, the Daytona engine, whatever it is, the SM Pro wheels, it doesn't matter. Check out Guts Racing seat covers. They can do some really cool stuff. If you guys are interested in a Fast Dads kit of your own, you can find us on Facebook at Fast Dads Racing, or email us through the website. Either way, we can get you set up with a cool graphics kit, whatever colors you want, however you would like to do it. Get on the website, check out the t-shirts. We will be dropping new designs, and I'll show you guys them as we get them made. But hit that subscribe button if you want to stay for some more content. We will be picking up a regular schedule again. Sorry about not posting as much, but you guys have a good weekend. We'll catch you in the next one.